Hello, welcome to Math Online. I am Elizabeth Jones and I am your instructor this semester. I have been teaching at Solid Community College since 2010 and teaching online probably since about 2015 or so. The online classroom is very similar to the face-to-face classroom. It's just that it's virtual and we communicate asynchronously. However, you cover the same material and you have the same responsibilities. I recommend that throughout the semester that you work your modules in order, you stay up to date on your assignments, and don't forget that you should expect to spend time to learn the material on your own, in addition to doing all of the homework assignments. Be involved in the classroom and ask questions before they become problems that hinder your learning. I went to my undergraduate in California at Scripps College, and I got a bachelor's in mathematics. And my graduate studies, I went to Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas, and my degree is structural and computational biology and molecular biophysics. We did a combination of mathematical modeling and biological experiments, working with the computer, working with microscopy, etc. One of my favorite things that I did when I was in college, as I was on my track and field team and I threw the hammer. So the hammer is a 4 kilogram, which is 8.8 pounds metal ball at the end of a 4-foot wire, and you go through and you throw it into this grassy sector, and then they measure how far you threw it. That probably was about 110 feet or so. This was from my alumni meet a few years ago, and it's a really fun event. Things besides hammer throwing that I like to do is I like to do outdoor adventure. I hike probably a few times a month in the spring, the summer, and in the winter. I love to go river rafting. I've done kayaking before. I go snowboarding, and it's just been a really fun time. Whenever I go and try to find some outdoor adventure, I sign up. I spend a lot of time with my family. We probably go on a big family vacation once a year or so. This picture that we took up here is from when we went up to to Idaho for the eclipse a few years ago. I also am a Girl Scout leader. I have 2 troops. One that is for brownies, 2nd graders, and one that is for ambassadors, 12th graders. And I am the leader. My nieces are the girls that are in the picture. Around town, I like to go through and do cultural events, go to concerts, go to the symphony or the opera or to a play performance, or really anywhere that I can find fun around town. In fact, even if it's taking an extra class and learning a new skill, this is a lineup print that I made for my class. And again, this semester, I hope you have a great time. Don't forget to work through the modules, don't get behind, and be sure to ask questions if you have them. And I hope you have a great semester. See you soon.